Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting now. Open Settings and move to Display and Brightness or Face ID and Passcode, whichever manages lock screen options. You do this because one controls auto-lock timing while the other sets security. Once in Display and Brightness, make sure auto-lock is visible. If you use Face ID, go to Face ID and Passcode to enable attention-aware features. Make adjustments here so the iPad will lock on your terms and protect data immediately. Once done setting the menu, pick an auto-lock interval that balances convenience and security. Shorter times reduce exposure. Then, go to Require Passcode and select when the passcode is required. Choosing immediately maximizes protection. Make sure you enable Face ID or Touch ID if available. These speed up unlocks without weakening security. Also confirm lock screen notifications are configured so sensitive info stays hidden when locked. These steps together define how and why your iPad locks. To lock instantly, press the top button once. Your screen sleeps and locks according to the settings you made. For specific use, enable guided access or add lock screen to Control Center for one-tap access. This is useful for public or kiosk use. If the iPad doesn't lock, restart it and check for iPad OS updates. Make sure attention-aware features aren't misconfigured. If problems persist, reset network and settings as a last resort and reapply your lock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.